This video shows us the process of mounting the ASUS Sabertooth X79 motherboard into the Cooler Master Cosmos 2 Ultra Tower case. It's simply a matter of lining up the motherboard with its mounting pins within the case, and once that is achieved, it's a matter of securing the motherboard with a number of screws, ensuring that one doesn't over tighten the screws and thereby damaging the motherboard itself. The entire process should take no longer than just a few minutes between fitting the motherboard into place and securing it.